Hi, this is Bonnie, Communications Director for MarineMax Sailandski, and 2020 came with its fair share of challenges. One of those being Barrel Boss. Are we going to do it? Are we not going to do it? And what we figured out is that pivoting to our virtual contest was definitely the right choice. We had over 50 submissions, and everyone really brought their A game. None of this could have been possible without our awesome sponsors. Nautique, in particular, gave us their team riders to judge the contest. So thank you so much to Noah Flagel, Jody Grassman, and John Ackerman for getting together and placing you guys in top 3 positions. We had some really outstanding and fun submissions this year. We were really stoked to see new faces across the board, and we had a lot of fun watching everybody's videos. So check out some of the highlights right here.
Started surfing about 4 years ago.
I just started wake surfing this summer.
I started skiing at age 3 to ski at 3 years old.
I've been wake surfing for about 2 years.
For over 35 years.
Since I was 11 years old.
A few years.
August of 2019.
I've been surfing for 2 years now. I've been riding for 2 years.
I like to surf with my dad, Jen, behind my super aeronautique on his shoulders.
Wanted to share with you that the board that I'm riding in this video is 110% handcrafted by me in this garage.
All right, guys, we're not going to make you wait any longer. Here's the winners for the Groms division. In 3rd place, Clair Hurta.
I'm Clair Hurta, and I'm from Bay City, Texas, and I'm 7 years old. I've been wakeboarding and wake surfing for almost a few years right now. And I surf behind my mom's Malibu boat. Peace out, I love the river.
In 2nd place, Dylan Kochanek.
My name is Dylan. I am 9 years old and I've been surfing for 2 years now. I currently ride the Phase 5 Scamp. My 2 idols are Parker Payne and Dylan Ayala. I have taken lessons from both of them. I can't wait to be in this competition and I feel like it's going to be really fun.
And in 1st place, Canyon Slayden. All right, guys, the wait is over. The winners for the interpretive division are 3rd place, Clair Hurta. 2nd place, Travis Barr.
Hi, I'm Travis Barr. I live in Killeen, Texas. I go to Providence Preparatory School in Belton. I'm a sophomore. I've been wake surfing for about 2 years. Me and my family have a lake house on Lake LBJ where we go on the weekends, bring our friends, family, and have a great time.
And 1st place, Lauren Wottlin.
What's up, guys? My name is Lauren Wottlin. I am from Dallas, Texas. I am obsessed with wake surfing. I love it ever since I started to pick it up. It was something that I just couldn't live without.
Okay, guys, the wait is over. The winners for the juniors division. In third place, Travis Barr. In second place, Josh Woods.
Hi, I'm Josh Woods. I'm 14 years old and I live in Richmond, Texas. I learned to wake surf in Lake Austin. That's where my grandparents live. They introduced me to wake surfing, which I love. Something cool about me, I love building Star Wars Lego sets. It's just what I do. And I also love reading Greek mythology.
And the first place winner, the Lady Shredder, beating out all the guys in the juniors division, Jessica Belcher.
Hi, I'm Jessica Belcher. I'm 15 and I've been wake surfing for about 2.5 years. This is my first year competing and it's been all online, but it's been really fun and I've really enjoyed it. So I'm looking forward to next year and in-person events, and yeah.
All right, guys, the wait is over. The Masters Division winners, drum roll, please. In third place, Wes Priest.
Hey, y'all, this is Wes Priest, Austin, Texas. A little bit about me, 2 kids, 2 little future surfers, a 7 and a 4-year-old, Cannon and Gigi, baby. 2-time Guinness Book World Record holder, longest surf distance ever, 53 miles here on beautiful Lake Travis, along with 4 hours and 40 minutes. Longtime barrel boss competitor, and let's do this thing.
In second place, Adele Phelan.
Hi, my name is Adele Phelan. I am currently in the Women's Masters Division. I am 52 years old. I would like to thank MarineMax for this year's virtual wake surf competition, and I'm really excited to be doing this.
And in first place, Keith Pohl. And the winners for the always competitive men's division. In third place, Wes Priest. In second place, Keith Pohl. And in first place, Dylan Matthews. And now the winners for the primetime event, the Outlaw Division. In third place, Barrel Boss veteran Nate Richard. In second place, Evan Feierabend. And in first place, local phenom Michael Bowsher. All right, now the winners for the Skim Division, drum roll please. In third place, Jerry Lafferty. In second place, Ryan Landers. And in first place, Dylan Matthews, aka The Shredder. All right, now here are the winners for my personal favorite division, the women's division. In third place, Barrel Boss veteran Katie Meyer.
Hi, my name is Katie Meyer. I'm from Austin, Texas. I boat on Lake Travis. I ride a tuk-tuk. When I'm not wake surfing, I'm a veterinary cardiologist with a couple of kids at home. And I've been competing in Barrel Boss for several years now.
In second place, Lauren Wottlin. And in first place, Adele Phelan. None of this would be possible without our amazing sponsors. Obviously, Nautique always comes in huge, so big thanks to those guys. Hyperlight and Ronix for always bringing the gear. Deckhands Boat Detailing for keeping our boats in tip-top shape so you don't have to. Hula Boat Care for making taking care of your boat on the water very, very easy. Surf Austin for constantly supporting the community. And Tune Up Manly Salon for keeping it high and tight. Thank you to everyone who submitted videos. We had a ton of fun. And if you liked Barrel Boss Virtual Wake Surf Competition, you're gonna love what we have coming up next, Snow Expo. So if you're someone that likes to get out on the mountains, we wanna help you go like a pro. So check out our website, sign up for our newsletters, stay up to date with everything Barrel Boss and all the other cool stuff we've got going on here at MarineMax Sailandski. As always, this is Bonnie, and I'll see you at the lake.